Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining me. I've got something today that's not really dealing with home decor or DIYs or any of that. This was something that was really such a sweet gift that my auntie sister /auntie sister, we're more like sisters, but technically her title is auntie. We're 2 years apart. She is my mother's sister. Blessed me with. She bought one from me as well as my mother, just because that's just how she is. She likes to just bless people, and she does. So she got me something that I'm actually kind of really excited about. I'm gonna share it with you guys, okay? It's from the Ashton-Drake gallery. Ashton-Drake. And for those who don't know, I like baby dolls. I know I have 4 kids, but I love baby dolls. This is the beauty she got me. Isn't he cute? Do you see him? Can you see him? Okay. He's really cute. Absolutely love it. You can see his little fingernails. He has little toes that are really cute. Little beanie butt. The cutest little doll. So his name is Michael. Yes, my husband's name is Michael. My son's name is Michael. So we call him Michael the Third, okay? So this is now Michael the Third. And the funny thing is, how funny, right? Little card, you get the little certificate. So the name of the doll and all that good stuff. But I absolutely love him. He looks so dapper in his little outfit, his little vest and his little cute shorts. And he does have on a little diaper right there. But he's a nice sized doll. I hope the camera's picking it up, but I mean, you see me. He's a nice sized doll, and I think he's so cute, and he's gonna go so well with the rest of my dolls. Now, he is my first boy doll. I had boy dolls growing up, of course, right? But I mean, as an adult, I've never had a boy doll. I always wanted a boy doll or a boy. You know, I wanted them to have a baby brother, but God thought to give me 4 girls instead. So this is the closest we're gonna get to a boy baby, because I'm not having nothing else ever, okay? No, ever. All right, we've done everything we can to make sure that does not happen. But a boy doll, that I can do. I can do a boy doll. So I'm so excited for him. Celeste, thank you so much for my baby boy, my junior the third here. I love that his legs can bend, right? His arms can move, his legs can move. He's completely mobile when it comes to that. I got to make him a little bink. His hair is really cute. I love his hair. I've got to give him a little trim in the back. See, he needs a little trim. But he's just perfect for the craft room. I'm sitting in the craft room right now. That review will be coming soon. But he's perfect to go in here. His little eyelashes and eyebrows look so good. He's just the perfect fit for this room, and this is where he's gonna live, in here with the others. I like to keep my babies close to me because I do have 4 girls, and they have tons of baby dolls, but they always want mine, and that we don't want. We don't want them messing with them, because these dolls are not cheap. Let's just be honest. These dolls are not cheap, and they're not to be played with. They're for display and decor. And so I guess he does kind of go in the decor area, because he's going to be placed all around this craft room, just sitting there looking cute as he is, for really just decor, okay? And then I will carry him around sometimes and hold him like this and pat the butt, and you know, it's a comfort thing. So I've got about 4 or 5 dolls over there that I've had pretty much all my life. I mean, since I was 1. So they old. I love my little baby boy. I'm so excited to have him as a part of the collection of my dolls, and it makes me want to get another one. Now I feel like I need to get a girl from this from the maker, again, the Ashton-Drake gallery. So if you are interested in a baby of your own, check them out. You might find you a little cutie. The one that my mom got is really cute too. She got a little baby girl. It's a lot smaller than him, actually. He's kind of on the bigger side. That's what this tag is, his name and all his information. But he's kind of on the bigger side of the dolls that she makes. But the one my mom has is a little smaller. She's super cute. I should have taken a picture of her to show you guys. I'll see if I can't get one later to show you. But yeah, I just wanted to share him because he is just so cute and so unexpected. He was an unexpected child. I had no idea that she was bringing me a cute little baby like this in this big old box that we got here. And then also, she's very detailed. So she got his little brush. Now, growing up, I loved The Little Mermaid. That was my favorite movie. So she made sure that the brush she got had a little mermaid on it, which I thought was just super sweet. So he's got his own brush. He's got his own comb. He came in this box where you had to untie all the ribbons. It was just so nicely put together, so nicely wrapped up. I love it. I'm going to keep his little certificate. Yeah, just adorable, adorable. I have the best auntie. She's always doing something for somebody. That's just her personality. And this time it was my turn. And so I've got little Juicy here. And he's going to sit on one of these counters in here. I'm not sure which one yet. But he's definitely going to be on display for a while. And then maybe then I'll let him join his siblings over there in the corner. But I really just kind of want him out for a while because... And funny thing is, he does favor my son. If I pulled out some pictures of my stepson when he was younger, he favors him in the face, which I thought was crazy. And that he had the same name. I just thought that was just so conveniently familiar. So I just think he's so cute. I'm so happy to have him. Let me give you a close-up. Look. You see him? He's so cute. So this is our new addition. We love him. We love him. Yes, I like dolls. Don't act like you're too big to take care of dolls. Dolls are very important for girls' development and boys' development too. I know some may not agree, but action figures and all that stuff, it's important for kids to practice loving something. Some kids don't love anything. It's because they're not taught to love and practice loving. So dolls help girls practice how to love and care, right? And I got my full share, which came in handy later when I became a mother. So I love my baby. I'm so excited to have him. I probably got coconut oil all over his face at this point because I put some in his hair and brushed it. And just adorable. So I'm excited. But yep, I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. I know it has nothing to do with like real home decor, but he's going to be used as a decor piece. And so we're going to put him somewhere in here. And like I said, video coming soon. I'm sure I'll be showing like little snippets of this room so you guys can kind of see how it's coming together. But there's still several things I need to do. I'm not done. I'm not done. And I may not be done for a while, but I might show you because mostly I'm impatient. I'm an impatient person and I don't mind showing. So we'll see. But I hope you enjoyed little Michael here, little Michael the third. And I'll see you next time. We'll see you next time. Bye. Again, I want to thank Celeste for this beautiful gift. Here is a picture of my son with his new baby brother. And he's just such a cutie, you guys. I just want to thank you guys for joining me in this unboxing. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps, and I'll see you next time.